In this video, I'm going to explain what Eternal Land is in Once Human, how to unlock it, how to get there, and basically what it is and how to use it. So basically, Eternal Land in Once Human is a feature where players can visit and you can then build endless creative building projects over there. So in addition to that, the place is basically a hub to store all your character's accomplishments, currencies, and unlocks each season, okay? Now, it will basically be your bag of goodies that carries over to next season, because as you know, when next season starts, everything wipes, but in Eternal Land, it stays as it was before. So, pretty much how to get there is by, first of all, you have to unlock the Eternal Land feature, okay? And in order for you to do this, you have to progress through main story and complete quests. So you have to complete Realm of Nightmares in Iron Rivers. This is a quest which is designed for level 20 plus players. So it will take you a few hours of storyline progression to unlock, and you can also unlock it by simply reaching level 20, and it will automatically appear as a mission to enter Eternal Land. And once you have completed that quest, you should be able to access the Eternal Land via the main menu. And the way you do this is by pressing the escape button on your keyboard, and then over here, as you can see, it says Eternal Land. You want to click on it, and then click Enter Eternal Land, and you will be teleported to Eternal Land, where you can do all the things I have just described. So, I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.